Clock is ticking for student loan borrowers. Payments are set to resume in October. That's going to come quickly. But as Brian Chung reports, some people say they can't afford to pay and others say they simply won't.
Josie Bridges is a single mom living paycheck to paycheck. It's hard enough dealing with rising prices at the store.
My student payments are sitting right now at about $400 is what they're expecting each month. So, I mean, that's my food budget right there.
The pandemic freeze on student loan payments allowed Josie to open up her own salon in Portland, Oregon. But with $4,000 in outstanding debt from her community college degree, she says she simply won't be able to make the monthly payments once they resume in October.
Now I realize that it's kind of out of my hands at this point. If I can't make it, I can't make it.
It's a game changer.
The Biden administration's plan to forgive up to $20,000 in student debt would have wiped Josie's slate clean. Instead, a challenge from 6 Republican states resulted in a Supreme Court decision in June striking down the plan after Josie had already put thousands of dollars in investments into her salon.
I'm disappointed and I'm confused. It's too inconsistent. I don't know what's going to happen in the future, and that's kind of scary.
If the administration was able to cancel all the debt, what would that have done for you?
Giving me financial freedom.
The median student borrower has between $20,000 to $25,000 in outstanding debt. And for those over 40 million borrowers, they're going to be facing interest accrual beginning in September, with the first payments in over 3 years due in October.
It is officially time for a student loan repayment boycott.
Some taking to social media calling on borrowers not to pay.
Does the U.S. government just think we're going to go back to paying student loan payments? Like what? It's going to ruin my credit score?
Education Secretary Miguel Cardona says it's a risk people shouldn't take.
The loans are still there and the repayment is still needed.
Failing to pay comes with serious consequences. Those in default face wage garnishing and big credit score hits. But for now, the government says borrowers won't face those penalties if they miss payments.
We know many of our borrowers are going to struggle to make payments, but we want to make sure that we're not sending their name to credit agencies. So we're going to hold them harmless for a year as they're getting back up.
Among longer-term options for relief, see if your employer offers repayment assistance programs and consider the SAVE program, which adjusts monthly bills based on borrowers' income. Josie's weighing her options, but says it's going to be tough either way.
At this moment, it's either come up with money to pay for these now student loans that I'm having to pay, or make it to where my business doesn't function as it needs to.
One of millions bracing for the debt cliff this fall. Brian Chung, NBC News, Portland, Oregon.